The Portable EV Charger Wallbox offers impressive compatibility with a wide range of electric vehicles, including popular brands like Ford, Chevrolet, and BMW, ensuring it meets the needs of many drivers. With adjustable current settings, this charger provides flexibility for different charging needs, allowing for both slow and fast charging options based on your preferences. The smart charging feature is enhanced by a user-friendly touch LED display and a delayed start timer that can help reduce electricity costs by taking advantage of off-peak hours. Designed for convenience, this charger is easy to install and accommodates a variety of standard power outlets, making it perfect for home use or on-the-go charging during road trips. Safety is a top priority with this charger, as it comes with comprehensive protection features like overvoltage and overload prevention. Plus, it is housed in a durable IP65 waterproof enclosure. The charger's generous 24-foot cable provides excellent reach, allowing you to charge your vehicle even when parked at a considerable distance from the power source.